Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Nissan Rogue. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for your safety and the safety of others on the road. Misaligned headlights can significantly reduce your visibility, making it harder to see obstacles or road signs. They can also dangerously blind drivers in oncoming traffic, increasing the risk of accidents. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to correctly adjust your Nissan Rogue's headlight beams, focusing on vertical alignment. Before you begin, find a level surface and park your Nissan Rogue exactly 25 feet away from a flat wall. It's important that your vehicle is on level ground and has approximately a half-full gas tank, with no unusually heavy loads inside. This ensures an accurate adjustment. For tools, you'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the adjustment screws, and some masking tape to mark your aiming points on the wall. First, use masking tape to mark the vertical centerline of your vehicle on the wall. Then, mark the vertical centerlines for each headlight. Next, measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlights and place a horizontal tape line across the wall at that exact height. Now, locate the headlight adjustment screw. For most Nissan Rogue models, you'll find a single vertical adjustment screw behind each headlight housing, often accessible with a Phillips screwdriver. To adjust, insert your Phillips screwdriver into the adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise will raise the headlight beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. For low beams, aim the brightest part of the light 2 inches below your horizontal tape line. For high beams, ensure they are vertically centered just below the horizontal line. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Drive safely with properly aimed headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.